Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rihanna and Niece back again with a vlog today. So today's a huge day. It's Gianna's first birthday and we are getting ready for her birthday party. So I want to show you guys what we're doing, all the decorations we have planned, and just give you guys an overview of what we're doing before the party. So let's take a look. So let's start with the theme. The theme is Uno, because of course she's turning 1 and we just love Uno, so we're having an Uno tournament. So we have this banner. We got this from Etsy and then we just added the Gigi in because unfortunately I forgot to tell them her name. So it was supposed to come with her name already on there, but I'm glad they just went ahead and sent it so it wasn't late. So we just did the Gigi ourselves, as you can tell, but we did better than I thought we were gonna do, so it turned out really good. I like it. Got this also from Etsy, these balloons. It just says wild one. You can see we have a sad little E there that decided to poop out of the party early, but still looks cute. This is her high chair. We haven't finished decorating it yet. I got this sign though from Etsy, sparkly Uno sign. So and then her aunt is going to be bringing like a ruffle cover for the high chair. So this is her outfit. Her auntie cousin got her this outfit. So cute. Again, Etsy came in clutch. Matches her colors perfectly in the theme.
So for some snacks, we have popcorn mixed in with these ginormous Sour Patches.
Yes.
And the top one has like a bunch of sugar on it.
And it's white cheddar popcorn, right? And the librarian at her story time gave her this huge freaking bear. And it's funny because the bear is wearing the same color tutu, has like the same colors as her tutu, and a black shirt. So funny, it matches her outfit completely. So he's sitting there. We're actually waiting for another 6-foot table for this area, and that's where we'll put all her presents and cakes. She actually has 4 cakes. I can't believe it.
Over here, lots of people gave Gianna lots of presents.
Actually, this is all just from her dad.
The bowling.
Yes, which we're gonna play. That's gonna be one of our, excuse my champagne glass there, but that's gonna be one of our games we play besides Uno.
Yes, and she has this lawn chair.
Yes, her auntie got her that.
And we have these blocks over here.
Got some Legos, giant Legos that are already out in case kids want to play with that. And then the rest of her stuff is wrapped. We also got some sparklers for when she does her smash cake. The bigger kids can do these sparklers. And we got gifts for the tournament. People take their Uno pretty seriously around these parts. We also got some bubbles for the kids. And this is Gigi's tiaras. That I'll pick one of these to go with her little outfit. For food, we're gonna have jambalaya that her grandmother is going to make. And we're also gonna have pizza and just some like side snacks, chips and dips and things like that. These are some goodie bags that her grandma made. And over here I got these cute trays from Walmart. I'm still trying to get the sticker off of that. I hate those. But I'll be doing the chips and dip and then veggies and fruits dip on this tray as soon as I get this off of there. Hopefully this room is going to look a little different. I mean, it's almost ready, but there's still a few things I want to do. And like I said, I still have another table I'm waiting on. That will have a tablecloth and decorations as well. Gigi is knocked out. She was teething bad last night, so I'm glad she's actually being able to take a nap. So we will catch up with you guys when we do more decorations for the party. What's the word again? Repetitive? Forgetative. She's forgetative. It does say U-N-O. Super duper happy birthday.
Now what do I do?
This is Miss Washamadula. Did you win?
No.
Oh.
Zoe has to get more cards, so.
Say hi, Miss Barbara.
Hello, how you doing?
Say hi, Miss Grandma Joyce. She's over there entertaining Gigi. Gigi, you ready to get cute? This one's strawberry. This one's the Uno theme with the confetti. And that's her smash cake that she's gonna get to eat all by herself. And then this is an Uno cake. Gigi! Look at that. Oh. It's my party. I can cry if I want to. You like those Chucks? But I don't think she likes them. She wants to be barefoot. She's not walking. She's like just standing still like, what do I do? Help her out. Maybe she needs help walking.
Maybe she's better walking without shoes.
Yeah.
No, wearing shoes would look weird. No? Her tutu's so big. You wanna know who her best friend is?
Uno, Gianna.
Best friend.
Yeah.
Did
Did you like that jambalaya, Gigi? That's right. She gotta be inaugurated. She gotta be inaugurated. Gotta give them some good adult food, you know. She don't really do the baby food anyway. She likes adult food. She likes all the seasonings. She eat curry and all everything. Oh wow, wow!
I'm eating.
Is it a little good, Gigi? Is it a little bit good? Just a little bit. More cousins. Everybody say happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Gigi.
All her beautiful cousins. I know everybody cute. Everybody in the whole family cute. Both sides cute. Stunning auntie right here. Cheryl.
And it is my birthday.
Looks like it's her birthday, girl. Look at that. Yes, come through looking like a beach wave. Another cousin. All the cousins. And the uncle and the pappy.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to look at the camera. Can you look at the camera?
Gigi. Say happy birthday. The party's over at 5, okay? So y'all gotta get started. Are you gonna do the Uno tournament? We got prizes. Say happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Gianna.
You so good, Gigi. Say happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Nisi.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Even though you cry every time I hold you. Hey, you guys, everybody say happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Gigi!
Happy birthday, Gigi. Mommy loves you so much. You know that? There, we finally finished the cake. Sorry. I know. This is the winner of the kids Uno tournament. Let's see what you won. I can't get it out. Oh. Woo! Money. What? Oh, I know.
Daddy got a credit card to go with his shop.
What's in there, Gigi? Good job. Look at you. Oh, look at you, big girl. Oh, she like that. Oh, look at the doll. You like that? Dada. Look at her pretty hair. Look how pretty.
Give me my phone.
I can't even deal with the cuteness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gianna. Happy birthday to you.
You ready, big girl?
Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got got my angel now. Feels like I've been awakened. Every rule I had to break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Oh, baby, I can feel your halo. I pray you won't fade away. Can feel your halo. Can feel your halo. Your halo.
What's up, guys? It is like getting dark. Go turn the light on.
Oh.
The party was a success, as you hopefully saw on the vlog. Success. Gigi's chilling. Latrice made it from work. Strudel's tripping. Per usual. Party was a success. It's done. It's over with. It was amazing. Keep trying. Good job. Okay, who's gonna
Give it to somebody. Are you serious? Then what are we doing this for?
somebody get some water?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
No sparklers for us.
It was a good vibe today, but
Still scared of sparklers. I'm still scared of sparklers. I don't do sparklers.
I can't eat it. Yeah, I won't eat it.
Gigi, like your pizza? It's good? It's good? Numero uno, Gianna. They even got the accent mark right. They did that. Gianna. Gianna. And auntie cousin. Man, she done ate a whole piece of pizza. What are you doing? Yoga poses? I mean, she done stuck the whole thing in her mouth. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Look at those little curly toes. So cute. Gigi, did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes.
Did you enjoy all the pizza and all the jambalaya and all the cakes? And everything and all the presents. Yes. So we're gonna end the vlog right here, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.